I'm going to New Zealand for 2 weeks on a hiking/camping trip. So we're talking about a lot of light packing. We have to be as portable and as mobile as we can. I've got a bunch of stuff here that I want to show you, and also I have a few tricks when it comes to packing compact. So let's get right into it. Starting off with a hiking bag. This one is something that is entry level. It's not too expensive, but it has good weight distribution. And it's 60 liters, pretty ideal for a woman, especially a woman that is pretty short like me. I had bags that were hiking bags and you have to dig really deep to get items at the very bottom. But this bag kind of solves that problem. Next item on the list is a phone stand, and it can lift up to be a little bit higher so you get a higher angle. And this is pretty portable because you get to fold it into basically nothing. And this fits like a card. Since we're gonna be hiking for hours, pretty good hiking boots is a must, but that's not what I wanted to show you guys. I do need a little bit of a more versatile shoe selection. I'm going to bring this pair of waterproof sandals. So it comes with a magic tape on the side, and then for the bottom of the shoe, sometimes you get a bag like this and you just cover the bottom of your shoes like so. Egg crate foam pads are really handy. When you're tired on a trip and you want to sit down, then you can just unfold it. The other side also comes with aluminum. When you unfold this, it turns into a big mat that you can actually sleep on. And this is pretty comfortable. I've tried that on the floor. And if you need any head support, you can fold up part of this foam pad and it gives you kind of a pillow-like texture. Of course, we got air mattress for the back of the car to sleep for most of the time when we're not camping, but when we are camping, we're gonna be using this a lot. I have shown this in another video before. It's basically a toiletry bag, so it's not that big. So you got waterproof compartments, well-ventilated compartments, and I can easily just hang this on a branch. Foldable hangers. So it comes in 2 different models. It takes barely any space, and it opens up like this. You can also hang your socks down here. Next on the list, little bags like this. It comes with a snap shut pocket, pretty secure. Nothing's gonna slip out. If you have any sharp and small items that needs to be put away. Cutest and most foldable and portable water bottle ever. So this is completely made of silicone and PP material, which means it can stand cold and heat. It's a pretty good 300 milliliters water bottle. Stay hydrated. Fast drying towel. It covers up my whole body. It also comes with a hangable string. I got the cutest little hair dryer I could ever find. Basically the size of my palm or even smaller. And when you unfold it, it turns into the mini hair dryer. This is adorable. If you need to wash any clothes or even just wash your hands, gentle detergent paper like this. Once it's dissolved in water, it becomes bubbly and you can use it as a detergent. Alcohol cotton swabs and iodophor cotton swabs. So in the unlikely event of hurting yourself and you need to disinfect your wound, you can just take one of this off, take off one side, and the rest of the item is going to soak the other side of the cotton swab. Velcro tape. I just cut off part of it, and then it comes with all these little clips. You can put the clips on, tape it back like this to tighten things up. Deodorant shoe stickers. You don't know if you're gonna still smell like a unicorn at the end of the day. Stick one of these at the bottom of your shoes. Supposedly, it's going to keep it smell like lemon for 7 straight days. So I got this 3-in-1 makeup remover swab. They're individually packed. That has a really good wrap. Instead of getting a regular neck pillow, I got this kind of bag, I would say. It comes with a zipper. You can stick some soft items like your clothing in here, and once it's in there, it becomes a neck pillow that you can safely put around your neck, and it has a buckle. And this is really good for cheap flights as well, because a lot of cheap flights, you're gonna have to pay a lot extra for checked-in bags, and it can pass for a neck pillow. And probably it's gonna save you a lot of money. This rope, you just need to put a tiny little rope at the end of your phone as well, and then it comes with a clip. And just like that, you will never be looking for your phone or lose your phone again. Camp light, it's a regular torch. When you turn like this, the range of the light changes. Emergencies, it has a warm light setting as well. You can hang it in your camp and it becomes a pretty nice camp light. Guess how much? Bet you didn't expect that. It's a portable, foldable day pack. It comes with adjustable sashes, 2 side pockets. Don't listen to those videos that are trying to talk you into getting a bunch of separate packing bags. I will just use different sizes of Ziploc. This barely take any space and they serve the purpose of separating and categorizing your items. A gua sha board. I use this on my face. I can use this to gua sha or massage the other parts of my body. This is probably the most compact item of a massager that you can get. These are little tools. A whistle just in case. A little screw for my eyeglasses. A nail clipper. A key-shaped multifunctional tool. When you open it up, a tiny little knife. A rope knife. A beer opener. A screw. Pretty compact. A hair curling hack. You only need to use a pair of pantyhose that you hate. I curled my hair today using only this. You don't need to bring a curling iron. A bro girl still might be a smart girl. Vacuum phone holder. It comes with a magnetic plate and then it will, whenever you come across a surface like a mirror, just press it on. And to take it off, you just have to press the button to decompress. And it comes right off. You can just use the phone that you already have, but you have unlocked a lot of different angles. I will make another video while I'm in New Zealand to show you how many tricks and items that I am sharing in this video actually prove to be practical and useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me. Or become my member on one of the platforms to get exclusive daily English sharings from me. I'll see you guys next time in 小影不 English 小影课堂. Bye!